What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video. Today we are meeting up with Keegan and his S3. We're gonna see how the car drives, how it sounds, and just what it's like to own an S3. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Let's get into the video.
Alright, so what year is the car and what have you done to it?
So it's a 2016 Audi S3 sedan. It's the 210 kilowatt version. It's got 25,000 k's on the clock. Bought it from We Buy Cars in Durban. Saw it come online. Everything was clean as a whistle. That day, dropped half deposit on it straight away. I was in love with this thing. I made it happen, booked my flights, everything. Took a friend with me on the Saturday and we picked it up and drove it home. Best thing I've done, eh? It's amazing, eh?
Awesome. What have you done to the car so far?
So I bought it with a lot of the mods on it, luckily, because you know that's a big expense. I bought it at basically the retail price with all the mods for free. So it's got a full RGM Stage 1 Plus package on it, which consists of a carbon intake, 85mm Techniflow downpipe, and 3-inch full through exhaust. And then it's also got a plug and play box, like the JB4, but RGM's version. Later on find out it actually also has a Stage 1 hybrid on it.
That's quite a nice surprise.
Got a nice surprise as well, because I was pulling Stage 2 Golf Rs and S3s and I was like, what's going on? I don't even have a tune or anything. And yeah, later on find out it's got a sneaky hybrid in there.
One hell of a good surprise.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And then you've also done the steering wheel?
Yes, yeah, it's got a nice Alcantara covered steering wheel from Performance Merchant. And then I've lowered it on VWR, the racing line springs. And then the previous owner put Forsteiner forged alloys on it as well.
Oh,
very nice wheels.
Oh.
Yeah. And then the previous owner also did a full front PPF. This thing is like brand new. I mean, I'm just the beneficiary for that. I really got a deal here, so I'm really happy with the car, especially for the price that I got it at.
We forgot about something.
Yeah, we forgot. I'm big into my 3D printing as well. So I was bored the one day and I decided my rear diffuser was a bit boring. So I designed and 3D printed these diffuser fin extension things and just stuck those on. And there you go.
We are in the S3 and we shall go for a spin. Oh, dude. So,
S3. The guy S3.
Yes.
So I bought it in Durban on the Saturday. Got out the We Buy Cars about 12 o'clock. Before I even left the parking, I had guys running to me.
Serious.
Saying, oh, rev it for me, nice car, this, that, and the next thing. I was like, oh, geez, okay, sick.
Oh, that's funny.
And then the tire pressure was low,
Yeah.
so I went straight to a garage.
Yeah, the same thing.
Same thing happened. Guys are coming up to, dude, nice car, sick car, rev it for me, all
Oh,
this.
that's
And
funny, bro.
like every time I go out, I
Yeah.
get some kind of like whistle or comment.
Oh, dude.
Or, dude, it
Yeah.
attracts so much more attention than I actually realized.
Dude.
I wasn't expecting it.
And I see the fuel consumption is really not bad, eh?
Yeah, so
9.8.
yeah, currently 9.8. I drove normally on the way here.
Okay.
It ranges between 9 and 10, kind
Okay.
of normal driving. When I go to work, you know, about 90% of the drive is highway,
Okay.
and I get it down to about 7.5.
Oh.
So on the highway, if you're just doing like sort of long distance highway driving,
Yeah.
7 is pretty good.
Jeez, dude, that is actually flipping good. That's
Yeah.
the same as my mate's car, and he's got a 1.6 accent.
Yeah, you see.
That's freaking perfect.
Yeah, that's actually really good.
Jeez.
So it's not that bad. I mean, obviously it all depends how you drive. You don't buy an S3 thinking, oh, I'm going to save on fuel. So.
Yeah. See, now that's the thing now. So with my car, obviously it's a 1.6 diesel, right?
Oh, yeah.
And this past tank, I've tried to drive nice, just for interest sake, see what I can get out of it.
Yeah.
I'm averaging 4.4 per 100. Okay.
Okay, that's next level.
But now here's the thing. It's cool, but at the same time it's worrying because I'm gonna get into an S3, drive as nicely as possible.
Good
and
luck
I'm
with
gonna
that, by the
pay
way.
double at
Yeah.
least.
Oh, at least, dude.
And whenever I get other people's cars, like the M4, the M140, I'm picking up the M140 on Monday. We're gonna have to do something.
Oh, yeah, you're gonna take me for a spin.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Okay, sick.
And then, anyway, any M4s, right? And
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
at least 13, 14 liters per 100.
If you were to like think to yourself how much you spend on diesel a week.
Who knows, bro, but I fill up once a month.
Oh,
I get
of course.
1,030 Ks off a tank.
Okay, that's.
I'm gonna suffer, dude.
Yeah, that's.
I'm gonna cry.
You're gonna suffer, yeah. But you know what? I mean, can you put a price on the smile
Hell
that this car
no,
puts on you?
dude. Hell no.
So I've got a valve exhaust.
Okay. Oh,
It's
geez,
open right
Jesus.
now, but it's got a back box and a resonator, so it's not that loud.
Okay. That's still lekker though.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
still quite nice.
I see what you mean by when you say the exhaust looks like it can kill you.
Yeah, but
it's like,
it's much more tame than it
Yeah,
looks.
yeah.
Yeah. all stock gearbox tune, stock engine tune.
Because then it must just be the exhaust that's changing the sound.
But what on changes?
Yeah, because it sounds like it's had like a remap of some kind.
You know what? I bought this second hand, so for all I know, it actually might have a DSG tune.
Because it sounds like it does. Because normally when it has a DSG tune, the is not as long. It's like very short and snappy like this is.
So I was in comfort mode there, so I don't know if that affected it.
Okay, yeah.
That was in comfort. Let's do dynamic mode now. This car launches so hot. So I raced the other night 8V2 RS3 sedan.
Okay.
And I out-launched it. Like I was so surprised, and then we were just neck and neck the whole way. So this is actually as fast as a 8V2 RS3.
That launch is hard actually.
Yeah. And I had Xander, shout out to Xander from QT Performance.
Okay, there you go.
He messed with my Haldex pump pressure or something.
Okay.
And he made my Haldex pump stronger.
Oh, that's good.
To help me push more power to the rear.
Yeah.
And that definitely helped on launch, eh?
Okay.
Definitely makes the launch more aggressive.
Yeah. Jeez, because that launch flipping hard.
Yeah, you felt it, eh? You felt other launches before.
Dude, Natasha's S3 does not launch anywhere near
this thing launches hard. Okay, we'll hear the fart now. That's how she feels, eh?
No, dude, that's awesome. Even that, dude, I think that exhaust sound is perfect. Because now this doesn't drone at all on the highway.
No, it does. So with these valves open as they currently are,
I can hear that.
It's got it, like you can hear that.
Yeah, that's so
what you get on the highway. So let me close them. It's got a little.
Oh, nice. I like that. Here. That's cool.
So we'll turn it off now. So it's a very small difference, eh? But
I wouldn't say it's very small. That's quite.
So that's the difference, yeah.
Dude.
So yeah, it definitely helps. So when I'm going highway and that's obviously I close the valves straight away.
It's a full exhaust, right?
Yeah.
It's still got the cat in it. It's still got the black box.
No, I've got a downpipe, so no cat.
Okay.
Yeah, no cat. It's got like I think they call it a bullet resonator or something. Okay. It's like those sausage resonators.
Okay.
And then a back box, but the back box is actually quite small. On my last car, I had an Audi A1, and I put a valve on it straight from the downpipe, pointing down.
Yeah.
So when you open the valve, the exhaust will go out the downpipe straight down onto the road. It was like basically straight piped when you at the push of a button. It was amazing, dude.
Oh, that's so cool, dude.
The sound out of that thing for a little 1.4 was amazing.
I can imagine, bro. Jeez.
So I was thinking of trying to do the same thing with this car. So I have the option of going
that would
like,
be good.
You know, pretty quiet like it is now. And I'm just going full balls to the wall. You know, just for the fun of it.
Because these honestly sound so good.
Yeah. Not bad for a force for
exactly. People say, nah, they don't sound good. It's only when they stop.
Like so many cars now, you film so many cars and that.
But that's when you know it's a winner. When I still say, oh, that's lacquer.
No, you just say that for the video.
No, rubbish, come on. Okay, this is when one day when I have the money, I'll be able to put my money where my mouth is. And buy one for myself, and then you'll see that I'm being serious.
Then
that's how you know. That's how you know.
When you're putting your money down. Then we talk.
Oh yes, that's the good.
Oh, that's what you want. that partial throttle, 5,000 RPM.
Oh, dude, and then it changes. Oh no, that's beautiful.
One of the reasons you get this car is for that noise, dude. Let's be honest.
No, that's beautiful, dude. That's what makes the filling up twice, 3-4 times a month worth it.
That makes it worth it, dude. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell the viewers. The previous owner also put a diverter valve spacer.
Okay.
So that's what gets that turbo sort of like flutter and that
lovely sound. Yes.
Yeah, I can show you now. It's like very faint.
Jeez, dude, yeah. Okay, take my money now. Dude, take me to an Audi, dude. Oh, it's been my cars.
Yeah.
I went and looked the other day, but unfortunately they didn't have anything. They didn't have an S3.
The one by the dome.
Yeah. Dude, that is perfect, dude.
Hey, how sick is that, dude?
Oh.
So yeah, so when I want to sell, must I call you first or what?
Yeah, please, unless I bought something already.
Yeah, I don't see myself selling.
Alright, huge thanks to Keegan for showing me his car.
My pleasure.
Legendary
My
vehicle.
pleasure, dude. My pleasure,
Dude, one day I will join you in the S3
Yeah,
club.
dude. I hope that's not too long.
No.
I want you to experience the joys that this thing brings me.
So now we're just going to go to a good location that I shall not name right now. And we are going to do a photo shoot with the S3. We're going to get some rollers for you, sir. So
I'm keen.
You'll
I'm
definitely
keen.
have some content for the Instagrams, for
Yeah,
the TikToks
cool,
and
cool,
whatnot.
dude. I'm keen.
So, hell yes, thanks Keegan, let's do this.
Sweet.